on 2 to 3 pounds per week, and if Mum doesn't eat, her pups won't make it. Elsewhere in the valley, Mum's mate and 2-year-old daughter are hunting. It's their job to bring home food while Mum's still nursing. They're a small family, not much of a hunting party. The wolves' main prey, musk oxen, can grow to 10 times their size. Theirs is an ancient relationship. For 100,000 years, wolves have winnowed the weak and sick from the herds, keeping musk ox numbers in check and preventing them from overgrazing the tundra. Together, they balance this fragile landscape. But musk oxen are formidable. Armed with spear-like horns and sharp hoofs, hard prey for the hungry. A successful hunt requires teamwork, strategy, and strength in numbers. An advantage Dad and Big Sis clearly lack.